guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pretty Isha, and I'm back with another video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell to be notified of every new and upcoming video that I post. In today's video, I'm going to bring you guys along because I have to finish school shopping for my daughter Bottoms. I have to print out labels to post it on my business Instagram, and y'all can go follow that page as well. It will be linked down in the description box below. It is JAI_PGS_party creations with the K and with the Z at the end of creations. And yeah, I'll be sure to link that down below. So I'll see you guys when I finish getting ready and when I get in the car. Okay, y'all, so I'm currently in the car on my way to the store, and I'll see you guys when I get inside the store. Period. Say hey.
Hey.
Say hey.
Hello.
Okay, y'all, so I'm currently in the store, and they're going to tell me to see if I can find the paper first. But y'all know what I'm finna do. I'm finna see if I see the paper, and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, so this is the photo paper that I see, and they got it for $21.79 for 25 sheets. And I actually need it for my daughter's, excuse me, y'all, for my daughter's birthday as well. Okay, so guys, this is what I printed. This is for the water labels. It really didn't come out the size I wanted. It's supposed to be stretched out to the paper, but it's cool how it is. But this is what we're going to get into. This is the first template I created, which is Blippi, Cars, Spider-Man, Frozen, Paw Patrol, and last but not least, Lion King. Everything is out my own creativity for parties. So yeah, if you guys don't know, I am a party favorite creator. I do decorate party tables for parties. That's all I do. I don't decorate parties. I just do the treat table, and that's why I make the party favors for the treat table. And yeah, like I said in the beginning of this video, don't forget to follow my business page, and I will link that down in the description box below, and you guys can go follow it. You can see the designs that I did so far. So yeah, when I get out of here, I'll be right back because I have to go to Walmart next to get the chips, the waters, and also her uniform bottoms. So y'all, look what we found in Walmart, and I've seen this on TikTok. This is so freaking cute. So y'all, look what I found. This spells C. C A R. It's for my car. So yeah, I'll be back when we get to the uniform.
Yeah, we could.
Okay, guys. So we're currently over here by the uniform. Yeah, I'm currently trying to find her size for the uniform, but she got her 8 and 10 khakis, her shorts already. But yeah, we gotta go try it on. So we'll see y'all later when we try it on. Y'all see her holding it. Lexi, say hi. Y'all see her holding her bottoms, and I'll be back when she finished trying it on. Okay, y'all. So Walmart have these new girl sets from ages 4-5 to extra large 18, as you can see by the size. I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah. This is the top, and then this is the pants. They have it in gray, and they also had a set in black. So come to our local Walmart, and it's what, $7.98 for the top, and the pants is $7.98. So yeah, check out y'all local Walmart. And this is unedited, y'all. Look how my baby acting. This is unedited for real. Y'all look. Then they got more fall clothing for $8.98. This is so cute. And then they have this top as well. That is so cute. And they have all these tops, and then the bottoms, baby suit still. And then they still have all the uniform out. So make sure y'all go to y'all local Walmart for y'all uniforms. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I just left Walmart. Now I'm at McDonald's. Big bad. Yep, I love me some McDonald's. and I don't know what I want to get yet. But yeah, I'm at McDonald's, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell to be notified for every new and upcoming video I post. And stay tuned for the rest of the video that's dropping, period. I love you guys. Peace and blessings to you. Don't forget to put God first in all that you do, and He will direct your path.